Agrochemicals have become essential in our daily life, which most farmers use to promote crop production, repel weed growth, insects, and pests from farmlands and homes. Although it has got several benefits, abuse of agrochemical usage can be harmful to the human health and environment. According to experts say, empty agrochemical containers which are left scattered on farmlands after usage most often get into water bodies and kill non-targeted pests, causing ecological imbalance and also a threat to human health in the region. However, the Northern Regional Manager for the Environmental Protection Agency, Abu Idrisu, explained some common diseases associated with improper management of agrochemicals.
Most of our rural communities depend on these water systems for water, for household use, that is for drinking, for bathing, and also for washing their dishes and washing their clothing. Now, when agrochemicals are mixed with water, you change the chemical constituents of the water, and therefore, if you use the water to cook, you are rather imbibing or ingesting agrochemicals because you will have traces of that in the water. Some common diseases that we can see as a result of the intense use of agrochemicals are crocodile skins. You can see some people with very thick skins. You can also see some people with skins that have spots, and that means that they do not wear any protective clothing when they use those agrochemicals, or their level of exposure to agrochemicals is quite high.
He also highlighted on the regulations that governs the sale of agrochemicals in the country.
1. All agrochemical dealers are expected to know what any chemical is sold out is to be used for. 2. No agrochemical dealer is expected to import, retail, distribute any agrochemical if it is not registered in EPA's agrochemical or pesticide register. 3. All agrochemical dealers are expected to have basic knowledge and training plus certification in the use of agrochemicals. 4. All agrochemicals in Ghana are expected to be licensed and permitted by the Environmental Protection Agency.
He also noted that the EPA will continue to ensure that the right methods are used in disposing the empty agrochemical containers after the use, and stressed on the need for all agrochemical dealers to be licensed.
We as EPA are doing an integrated education to ensure that this menace goes down. Agrochemicals have really come to relieve farmers of their burden of having to spend several hours on the field clearing weeds and also controlling insect pests. But it must be used in moderation. It must be used according to the specifications outlined, and that is why Environmental Protection Agency is strictly, and I repeat this, ensuring that all agrochemical dealers in northern region and other regions of Ghana are licensed. And in fact, we do not hesitate to take away the license of agrochemical dealers if they do not, comply with the terms of reference or the conditions enshrined in their permits.
A distributor of agrochemicals in Tamale, Alhaji Abdul Sulaiman, said he has a way of getting back the empty containers from retailers.
So I've realized that farmers are getting it difficult to destroy and bury the containers. So I informed my retailers and my farmers that after using the agrochemicals, they should bring the empty containers for a reward. So what I normally do is that if a retailer or a farmer mobilize the containers, we pick the containers and give them money. We make the environment clean, because going to the villages, you see that empty containers are dumped everywhere, and even farmers are using it, especially Muslim farmers, to perform ablution and other things, which is very dangerous to their health. So we initiated them measures to, make the environment clean, so that you not be seeing empty containers everywhere.
Mr. Abu indicated that they will intensify the sensitization of farmers in communities to reduce water pollution during the farming season. Some farmers have also been expressing their views about the disposal of agrochemical waste. From Tamale, Nash for Fasa One News.